He's definitely hiding something.
Stay quiet. Don't let him see us.
Why would he come here?
There's only one way to find out. Let's go. Look, the neighborhood bake-off is this Saturday.
A real baking competition?
Saturday? Here? We should enter. All three of us should compete.
That sounds fun.
Then it's decided. I'm gonna win that trophy.
You? Not a chance.
This is gonna be interesting.
I already have my winning recipe.
Really?
What is it?
That's my secret. Then I'll beat you without knowing it.
They think this is just a competition. But I have a surprise for them.
The secret ingredient is strawberries.
I already know what I'm making.
This just got interesting. We have to start baking!
I'm gonna make something amazing.
Good luck, you two. This strawberry cake is gonna be perfect. I know exactly what I'm going to do.
Strawberries and chocolate. Yes! This is going to be incredible! Nobody else will make a cake like mine. Wait, this could make the cake taste amazing. I have to try it. Everything has to be perfect. My cake is going to surprise everyone.
Let's see if my secret trick works.
Oops, that was definitely too much flour. Nobody saw that, right? Okay, this is worse than I thought. I can fix this.
Now we just have to wait. Come on, little cake, be perfect.
Just one more strawberry. Perfect.
Now that is a cake. Nobody's gonna forget this one.
Okay, yours actually looks good. I told you. They all look amazing.
Lily, your cake looks incredible.
Everyone thinks you're gonna win. The judges haven't tasted it yet. Anything can happen.
Something is wrong. Oh, what do you mean? What did you see? I'm not sure yet.
Everyone, the final judging will begin in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? This is it!
Good luck, everyone. It's finally time.
May the best cake win.
Good luck, you two.
Wait, where is my cake? What? It was right here.
Nobody could have taken it that fast.
Someone took your cake.
But why would anyone do that?
We need to find it before the judging starts.
Lily, we have only a few minutes left.
I'll find my cake.
Then you'd better hurry.
We'll help her. Guys, look at that sleeve. Chocolate frosting? Do you think they took my cake? I think we should follow them. There's another one.
The trail goes outside. Then let's follow it. It just stops here.
That doesn't make sense.
Maybe there's something nearby. Guys, I found something. Is that my cake box?
Open it! The cake is gone. But why leave a note?
Let's see what it says. It says, "Your cake is not the only thing missing."
What does that mean? Something else was stolen? Look! Another trophy is missing. So the note was telling the truth.
Someone is stealing things from the competition.
Everyone, please stop what you're doing. The competition is on hold until we solve this.
We have to find my cake.
Someone must be sabotaging the competition.
But who would do that?
We need to find out before something else disappears.
We can't just wait. Then let's investigate.
Quietly. We don't know who we can trust. Did you see anyone near my cake?
Or near the trophy? Think carefully.
Even a small detail could help us.
Where were you when my cake disappeared? I was outside. Are you sure? Yes. Yes, of course.
What are you hiding?
Nothing. He's definitely hiding something.
Stay quiet. Don't let him see us.
Why would he come here?
There's only one way to find out. Let's go. Someone's inside.
Did you bring everything? Yes, it's all here.
That's my cake box.
And there's the missing trophy.
We found everything. I found it.
But someone already touched it.
Look at the frosting.
You weren't supposed to find this.
So it was you.
Why did you take our things? I was scared I would lose. I thought if I ruined the competition, I would have a chance to win.
You could have just tried your best.
I'm sorry. I made a terrible mistake.
Thank you for telling the truth.
I'm glad you finally told us.
The competition can continue. You have one final chance to finish your cakes.
Really?
Yes, make it count.
Hold it steady.
I'll fix the strawberries. Thanks, guys.
We're a team now. This is so stressful. I just hope they like mine.
Whatever happens, we did our best.
These are all wonderful.
And this year's winner is... Mia!
Me? You did it!
I knew your secret recipe was good.
I couldn't have done it without you. That's what friends are for.
Next time, I'm winning.
We'll see about that.